After 3 days of baking the most beautiful cake in the village, Lily and her daughter-in-law Kiku went to sleep feeling proud. But when morning arrived, the entire cake had mysteriously vanished. The peaceful village of Maplebrook was preparing for its most exciting event of the year, the annual spring baking competition. Bakers from every corner of the village were busy perfecting their recipes, hoping to win the Golden Whisk trophy. In a cozy little kitchen near the village square, Lily and her daughter-in-law Kiku had been working tirelessly for 3 days. Flour dusted the counters, sugar sparkled on the table, and the sweet smell of vanilla filled the entire house. Together they had created something truly magnificent, a tall, multi-tiered cake decorated with delicate buttercream swirls and tiny sugar flowers. After 3 long days of baking and decorating, the two women were completely exhausted. Satisfied with their masterpiece, they carefully placed the cake on the kitchen table and finally went to sleep. Late that night, the house was quiet. Min, Kiku's husband, woke up feeling thirsty and wandered into the kitchen for a glass of water. But the moment he entered, his eyes fell on the beautiful cake glowing softly under the kitchen light. He paused. The cake looked irresistible.
Yeah.
Min thought about it for a moment. Surely one tiny bite wouldn't matter. He took a small forkful. The cake was unbelievably delicious. Without realizing it, one bite turned into another, and then another. Before Min knew what had happened, the plate in front of him was completely empty. He stared at it in shock. The entire cake was gone. The next morning, Kiku happily walked into the kitchen, excited to see their creation again. But the moment she looked at the table, she froze. The cake had disappeared. Within seconds, Lily rushed into the kitchen. When she saw the empty table, panic spread across her face. Their best cake had vanished overnight. Min slowly entered the room, looking slightly guilty. After some questioning, the truth to come out. Lily was horrified at first. 3 days of work had disappeared in a single night. But instead of blaming anyone, she quickly began thinking of a solution. Lily remembered an old legend about the nearby Whispering Woods. Deep inside the forest grew a rare fruit called glowberries, known to make desserts taste extraordinary. If they could bake a new cake using those berries, it might even be better than the original. Kiku immediately volunteered to go into the forest and find them. Soon, Kiku packed a small bag and began her journey toward the mysterious forest. Knowing the woods were easy to get lost in, she came up with a clever idea. As she walked along the path, she sprinkled powdered sugar and colorful sprinkles behind her to create a trail she could follow back home. However, high in the trees, a flock of curious birds watched the glittering trail appear on the ground. As soon as Kiku walked farther into the forest, the birds swooped down and happily ate every sprinkle and grain of sugar they could find. Not long after, Kiku turned around to check her path. Her trail had completely disappeared. The forest grew quieter and deeper around her. Just as she was wondering what to do next, a wonderful smell drifted through the air. It smelled like vanilla, caramel, and freshly baked cookies. Curious, Kiku followed the delicious scent through the trees. Soon she pushed through a bush and stopped in amazement. In the middle of the forest stood a beautiful cottage made entirely of sweets. Hungry after the long walk, Kiku carefully broke off a small piece of the cookie window and tasted it. But the moment she did, the door of the cottage suddenly flew open. The sugar sprite, a tiny glowing creature, floated out of the doorway. It was a sugar sprite, wearing a little chef's hat and carrying a mixing spoon. The sprite wasn't angry about the missing cookie. In fact, she seemed more frustrated about something else entirely. She had been trying to create the perfect frosting recipe but kept failing every time. When the sprite realized Kiku was an experienced baker, she became excited. She made a simple offer. If Kiko would teach her the secret to her family's famous buttercream frosting, the sprite would reward her with as many glowberries as she needed and even help her return home safely. Kiko happily agreed. Inside the candy cottage, the two began baking together. Kiko patiently showed the sprite how to balance butter, sugar, and cream to create smooth and fluffy frosting. Flour floated in the air, sugar sparkled across the counters, and the kitchen quickly filled with laughter and sweet aromas. At last, the sprite tasted her finished frosting and finally succeeded. Delighted with the result, she kept her promise. She handed Kiko a glowing basket filled with magical glowberries. Before Kiko left, the sprite also enchanted her whisk, giving it special magic that could help her bake incredibly fast. With a small wave of her wand, the sprite sent Kiko safely back home. Kiko suddenly reappeared in her kitchen. There was no time to waste. Using the enchanted whisk and the glowing berries, Kiko began baking immediately. The whisk spun quickly, mixing ingredients with magical speed. Within a short time, an even more beautiful cake stood on the kitchen table, brighter, taller, and more delicious than the first one. Lily watched proudly as her daughter-in-law finished the masterpiece. Together they carried the cake to the village competition. When the judges tasted the cake, they were amazed. The cake easily won first prize at the spring baking competition. As the family celebrated, men eagerly cut a large slice of cake. Then another. And another. But something strange happened. No matter how many slices men cut, the cake never seemed to get smaller. Lily looked proudly at Kiko and hugged her warmly. The whole family celebrated their victory, and far away in the whispering woods, the sugar sprite smiled, happily enjoying her newly perfected buttercream frosting. Please like and subscribe to our channel.